Hi everyone, I'm Devoshmita from Too Busy Bums, and it's just a life update video for you all. It's been a very long time since I have made any video actually for you guys, because life happens, kids grow, and the parents gets too occupied by the kids, especially their schooling and like taking care of themselves. Taking care of the kids at home, taking them for sports class, tuitions, and cooking meal for them. It just happens, just life happens. We get too busy, and then things that matter to you a couple years back, maybe at some point they don't matter to you that much. So here I am in front of you guys after a very long time. Just wanted to give you guys a quick life update, and stay tuned for all the changes that has happened or going to happen with this channel, with our life in coming months and years. So let's just get started. So mainly, as you know, this channel was for the cloth diapers, the Too Busy Bums cloth diapers. Initially I started this channel to, like, after moving back from USA, I just wanted to see what all type of cloth diapers are available in India. At that point, both of my kids were like toddlers and newborns, so there was a lot of videos related to the diapers, because both of the children were in diapers. Eventually, my older one got potty trained, then I had only younger one for making the cloth diapering video, but then he's super naughty. It's very hard to have him in one place to put a diaper on. So eventually I started like wean from making the video with the kids, and then after Neil's diagnosis with leukemia, we started like this cloth diapering business to support his treatment mainly. At that point, right after the COVID, there was a huge demand for the handmade diapers, especially the pre-flats and flats, because of the affordability and also of the flexibility of the pre-flats and flats. But eventually, right after, like, as the time went after the COVID, people going back to their work, and there's just way too many brands there for the handmade diapers. I feel like the business in last, I'll say almost 2 years, has went down a lot. I have seen a lot of business closing, which is not fun. It's not fun for us mentally. It's very hard to keep going. And then currently my older one is almost 8-year-old. He's gonna be 8 next month, so he's like almost 8-year-old, as I said. My younger one is 5, so he's 5 years 4 months and almost 5.5 now. So with the kids being a little older at this point, they have schools, they have tuitions, they have sports class, they need a lot of snacks, so which keeps me pretty busy with them. And apart from them, as I work from home, so I get, whenever I have an order, I just quickly pack the order, ship it. As you know, most of the orders in our shop is ready to ship, so it's not been an issue for me. But amount of order in especially like last 1 year has been super down. So at this point, I was like not sure if we can just keep going with this business, but eventually we decided let's just keep going. So we rebuilt our website to make it more faster for you guys, and we has worked with the postal services, and we have tried to bring the best postal rate for all over the world. So you can check out our website. The link is in the description box below, and you will find what all we sell and how is the shipping like from where you are. It's just been very messy for us for last 3 years, as we have started formal school for the kids, and my older one is in grade 3 this year, and my younger one is in grade 1 this year. And having the kids to the school was just going too much for us and the kids, because they literally didn't have time for anything. I mean, they were just going to school, coming back home, eating, going for tuition, coming back. Maybe they have 2 tuition in a day, because I have find that the education system or the school, the way they work right now, most of the kids are not always learning a lot in the school. So they end up going to the tuition class where they're actually learning the things that has been done in the school. And the parents being busy, we don't always have time to just sit with them and make them prepare those. I know a lot of people still does it, but not everyone. So a lot of parents like me, they just depend on the tuition, so they're spending a couple hours in tuition a day for 4 or 5 days a week. So it just gets a lot for the kids. It just gets a lot to take care of 2 kids and a business and everything. So lately, after all these things, this time we have decided to take a break. So we have decided to take a break from a lot of things, because we are just tired of running behind everything that maybe doesn't matter to us that much. So there's going to be a lot of changes. As I said, you have to stay tuned to our channel. And the biggest changes that we have started this year is kind of like open schooling. I'll not call it unschooling, I'll not call it homeschooling, but the term I see it as is open schooling. So basically they're out of school, but they're gonna do their grades in the home, but not in a proper homeschooling structure. Because once you're saying that you're homeschooling, you're basically kind of like mimicking what happens in the school in the home. But we are trying to focus more on the learning process of the kids rather than like putting them in a school type structure in the home to homeschool them. But we are also not unschooling them. So a lot of people I know unschooling in that way, they think that they're just going with the kids' interest, just find out what they want and just focus on that. But we are going to do the basic education, but in a more open approach. So they want to learn one subject in a day, that's fine. They want to learn grade 4, grade 5 and grade 3, that's fine. It's just about learning as long as you are learning. So education is very important for the countries like India. So we are not like ditching the education, but not putting them into any structure of formal school or homeschool. So basically just open schooling them. And I'm going to document as much as I can about our journey of this open schooling and the changes that is happening in the school, like having the kids in the home 24/7 every day. Like really, I have been getting judged by my family, my friends, neighbors, almost anybody that sees me or hears me doing this. But even at this point, I thought it is on us how we want to raise our kids and what really matters for our family and our life. It's just time to take control of yourself and not worry about what everybody else has to say about anything that you do. As long as you do what you want to do, it's okay. You don't always have to think about what others gonna think. It is hard to start, but at some point we just have to go ahead and start. Our current plan for the kids, as I said, is open schooling, focusing more on the sports, focusing more in music. So we are going to start the music as soon as they are kind of settled with this new lifestyle that we have adopted. I mean, we are trying to adopt, but we don't want to make a lot of change for the kids. It's going to be hard for them. So right now it's just out of school. As soon as we are settled with this routine, we are gonna try to have something else new, maybe learn a new musical instrument. And we have a few things in our mind, which I will give you more update as we go on. And for the time being, I think that's it. I mean, this is all I wanted to let you guys know, that the business has been very complicated and we are thinking about other things that we may want to do for a living. Like I'm learning trading, which is very complicated to start with, but me and my husband, we are trying to learn it because it gives you a bigger flexibility and opportunity to stay with your kids. That's how I see it. So stay updated for our journey that takes us from here. Thank you for watching our video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share with the parents that you think this is gonna be helpful with, and see you guys on our next video.